Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agarwal. You are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Today, friends, I will be telling you 5 essential tips must do in your garden. These are the for the chrysanthemum. If the plants are in 3-inch pot, may transplant in 5-inch pot, and you have to do some pinching work after every 10 days. You have to do some pinching, and you see the lots of branches will come out. The main motto is to get maximum branches possible, because as many branches there will be much of the flower. So I am telling you, going to show you the 5 tips you must follow this time. Now right now you have to transplant from 5-inch pot to you have to transplant in 8-inch pot. Here I am taking around 70% garden soil and 30% compost. Mix it properly and mix some hornmeal. Hornmeal is the good source of nitrogen, and they need nitrogen at the early growing portion. So 80 to 20 and little bit of hornmeal is the best for replanting of this plant, in repotting of this plant from 5-inch pot to 8-inch pot. Now you see how we are transplanting in each pot. This is the ideal soil mix for transplanting. This is the right time. And here at the bottom side you have to give some of the chips here, so that the soil does not come out from the bottom hole. Now take out the whole plant, include the root ball. You can see the root ball is root bound. So this is the reason why we grow in 3-inch pot, then 5-inch pot, then 8-inch pot, because if a root bound is there in 8-inch pot, the plants will not grow properly and you cannot get much of the branches here. So this is the reason why we transplant. Firstly we transplant in 3-inch pot, then 5-inch pot, and then 8-inch pot. And here you see this is the root bound in 5-inch pot. We are transplanting in an 8-inch pot. And now I'll see what next you have to do. You have to keep it in around in 5 days. After 5 days you have to do all the pinching work here, because if you do the pinching work, all the new branches will come out from the below. From every branch you can see 2 to 4 new branches, and we will get the maximum branches possible, because in every 10 to 15 days you have to pinch off the tip portion, where the tip top 2 leaves you have to pinch off, and you can get the branches. You have to water it properly, you have to fertilize it time to time, so that the plants are healthy. And if the new branches are coming out healthy branches, you will get the maximum new branches, and you will get the maximum buds and flowers from these plants. This is the number 2. Now number 3 is apply liquid fertilizer. Mustard cake liquid fertilizer, they will be soak 100 gram in 1 liter of water, then make it a solution of 10 liter, that is 1% solution or 0.5% solution. Here I am applying 500 ml in 5 liter of water. You can see now we will be applying around 100 ml to 200 ml in each pot. And before that, 1 day ago, you have to dry up the total soil here, and so that they can absorb all the nutrients from this fertilizer, because they need the dried soil. Here you can see all the soils are dried up in these pots. And one thing you should remember, that you have to apply this fertilizer in soil only. Don't spray on the leaves, because if the leaves get wet of this fertilizer, there may be some fungal infection. And the chrysanthemums are very much infectious to fungal diseases, so you have to be very careful. And one thing I tell you, once you apply this, you have to wash the plants properly, because if the sprinkles are gone on the leaves, there may be some fungal infection. Therefore we have to wash the plants properly. So this is the year. Now the number 4 is after 5 days apply dried mustard cake mixed with NPK, maybe some NPK Sufola 10 26 26, 4 parts. I'll be taking a mustard cake, a dried powder, and 20% 1 part NPK Sufola 10 26 26, and apply around 1 teaspoonful in each pot. Around in 8-inch pot we will be applying 5 grams, around 1 teaspoonful. And after that we will be applying water here, and let it grow. And within 15 days you will see the plants will be in vigorous growth. So these are all these things. And now the final thing I'll tell you, every time you have to, every 10 days or 15 days you have to apply insecticide at regular intervals, maybe Hamla, Simbus, Theta, These are the compost cypermethrin, chloropyrifos kinds of insecticide or any kind. Take 1 liter of water and take 1 ml of Simbus or Hamla, cypermethrin, chloropyrifos or similar kind, or imidacloprid around 20 drops in 1 liter of water, and apply it, spray it every 10 days or 15 days, because they are prone to attack of infestation of several insects. So this is the all the 5 caring tricks you must do right now in the month of end of October or the November. You have to do up to 15 November, do the pinching work, and after 15 November all the buds will emerge. Then you stop pinching and you have to grow, you have to fertilize time to time, water it properly, and you will get the hundreds and flowers from there. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share with your near and dear ones. If you are very new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. I am going to give you a lot about the gardening tips and tricks and all. Thank you very much. Thank you.